How to fix Facebook can't send message on Facebook. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone, and when it's opening, just you will open apps, and on apps you will search for Facebook application, and when you found it like this, just open it, and then you have to go to storage. Click on storage and go to clear data. Click clear data, then click OK, and that's it. Your problem will solve. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.